What guys? What do you
my
think?
life, and then I made it.
I say about like 100 maybe.
Wait,
I need something to sell these. I'm really poor right now, so I don't know what to do.
What's this?
Umbrellas. Wait, umbrellas. Wait, can someone hold my flashlight? I actually need an umbrella.
Where are you guys going? Yeah, back up. All right, going. Follow me.
Wait, hold on.
No, there's no. Wait, holding on. Right over here.
Oh my god! That scared the hell out of me.
Go.
The mimic! The mimic's coming. The mimic was coming down, bro. The mimic was coming down.
I would very much appreciate it if I can have that big backpack, because I can earn all of us about 2,000 immediately.
I have 24K. No!
All right, that was just a mere sacrifice. Let's keep going. In his name, we will keep going. If you want to go off and quit now, that's the exit. But if you want to keep going with me, you can follow me.
Okay.
Bro, I died.
Yeah, we're... Rest in peace. I'm coming! You wait for me!
Yo guys, I'm coming back down to the sewer.
Where are we far behind? You're far behind.
I know where you guys are at. Oh, I know.
But we're somewhere else.
Also, I want to know who the heck alert. Sigma, ha 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 ha.
Alright, this is the most dangerous area. You gotta follow me close behind, okay?
Okay, I've never been here before, okay?
It wasn't supposed to be.
Just run! Right.
You guys, I'm also coming back though, and I also bought the whole can.
Going this way.
I don't know where I am!
No, over here. I just got a crossbow, bro. Alright, jump down.
I'm gonna die.
You guys, I'm coming back. I know where you guys are.
We're far.
Grab currently. You guys, I'm down in the sewer and I can't see anything.
But
Alright, bro. Remember, don't touch the eyeball things. Do you have a backpack? No, you don't.
no.
Okay. Well, we can't make any money because
No way.
Just follow me, bro.
There's like a backpack somewhere here.
We're gonna make it out alive, bro. Trust me. Just trust my process.
Where are you? I was right behind you a second ago.
Oh yeah, I'm over here, bro.
Well,
I gotta find the right way. I always hate this place.
I'm gonna follow the voice.
You guys, I'm back where you guys were at.
Okay, over here.
Oh, I see you. Come on.
Watch out for this eyeball.
But I'm falling. Ow.
Here, watch out.
I hurt. No, I'm gonna die. Bro, I almost just died there.
Okay, just come up here. Watch out for that thing. Okay. Keep going. The eyeballs come less of a danger. But we're gonna have to, get past 2 anglerfish and 1 ogre.
Bob? Like that fish?
Yes, yeah, right.
Yeah, I named him Bob.
Yes, and then Timmy, the
Bro,
ogre.
I named him in the Halloween update before I started uploading videos. I named him Bob.
And then the ogre's name is Timmy. I had a war against people. Alright.
Okay, I'm coming over to you.
See those buttons? I think you only have to press one of them. Just go. Just run.
I'm coming. Wait for me.
Wait, no!
I'm coming.
Come on! Timmy's coming! Press the buttons!
I don't know.
Bro, which one is it? Are we close?
Okay.
Broke the machine.
We're done. We're done for.
Now I
We're
can't
cooked.
get out of the
Bob!
sewers.
Bob is there!
All right. So our planning may be off a little. I think it's a glitch.
Okay.
You go. You go. You go. Yes.
I don't have any ammo. I dropped down the way. Help! Oh, until he died. Like I was going really far until I hit one of those or something. Help! Drop everything! Dude, drop everything!
No, cause like, why the hell do you?
Nah, bro! Nah, bro! The Timmy! Nah, bro, Timmy! Okay, so I think that guy died. Or something. Did you die? Timmy's here. Oh my god, I'm cuffed. Timmy's here. Timmy's here. Timmy's I died.
What is this?
No, my hook shot. My hook shot. Who's up?
Bro, who the heck?
Taper fade.
Hey
Guys,
I'm climbing on a wall.
You extra red watch. I killed red watch.
Out of my way, punk. You shoot at me, I kill you.
Give me a crossbow.
Now you're gonna need a
It almost killed me. Yo, I don't think I can make it back. My head's at 5%.
Hey guys, toilet plungers can be useful.
Yo, bro, I don't think I can make it back. I'm on 5%.
No taper fade.
Don't take for free to me as massive. I lost my revolver.
I hope your cheeks get clapped while you're in bed.
Yeehaw, partner!
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
You like that?
Hey guys, what are you doing? Hey guys, what are you... Hey guys, what... Hey guys, what are you doing?
Oh my god!
I think you really... Ah.
What's good, bro? Oh no, that's Mimic.
Bippity dop dop dop. Yes.
No, I fell! I fell!
Okay, you're not getting away.
Reinvent yourself. Guys, spelunking around.
Yeah, you
Guys,
never
that's
find
it for
me.
today's video. I was just goofing around. Bye. I'm a heads up to sign, so I have to.
Just welcome.